Alright guys, welcome back to Sucking on Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. As you guys can see in the backdrop, we're at Jack Sundays, which is happening from now until whenever it decide to stop. So every Sundays you can come here, buy crew in Kingston to have a great vibe, great food. We're gonna actually be doing a mukbang, so you guys are gonna see the stuff that they have to offer. They have like barbecue ribs with the jack sauce and stuff like that. Get out of the camera. It's a whole vibe. But anyway, let's get to the food. So we're at the point where I know you guys are really excited to see, which is the part where we actually try the food. Yo, FYI, Destiny was just having a little bit of what did she have? Fire ribs?
No, she was having just a number 7 ribs.
Number 7 ribs, whatever it was, yo, it was a number 10. It was that good. Like, trust me, I almost ate all of her ribs. to be quite frank, but yeah, we're just waiting until we completely set up and things, and we can try this food.
What about shopping?
I'm excited.
Why
Yo, the money I roll through.
Oh, sorry.
And upon good. Eat some food and drink some Jack Daniels. What's up? Good? Doing good. It's a vibe, it's a vibe. Alright, so I'm about to pop this box to see what's it.
What are you taking off it?
A big sucking for
So I got what you call it?
No, you got the hot.
Oh, sorry, yeah, I got the honey ribs. That's a Jack Daniel honey ribs. It's a pork ribs. Sorry for the name pork, but yeah, go love that.
Make sure to follow Jack on Sundays on Instagram and CPJ on Instagram as well.
Yeah, for those of you who don't know, CPJ is like one of the biggest distributors of wines and liquors. So if you want it, premium stuff. So if you want like your Cirocs, your Jack Daniels, your Patron. Yo, I love Coffee Patron, so good. But yeah, if you want those stuff, you can get it from them. Like, yeah, where we are at, pretty much it's like a whole marketplace type of thing, right?
CPJ market.
CPJ market. So they have behind us like the whole wine selections and stuff there. So it's really a good vibe. So food, wine, can't go wrong. All right, what did you get? What did you get in your plate?
Okay, so I got me some wedges. I got the same thing as you, the honey whiskey ribs. These are pork ribs.
All right.
And I got me some coleslaw because you know special. And we're about to see what's on and popping because I'm excited and I eat all day. So I'm hungry and it's about to be lit. It's about to be lit.
All right, so we got what's this? Is it soup?
Yes. What type of soup is this?
Vegetable soup.
Vegetable soup. Yeah. And what did you get, babe?
I got the fire ribs with coleslaw.
Nice.
That's straight fire. Yeah. And what did you get, Shelby?
So I got the beef fire ribs because you know your girl don't eat pork. Because yes, and I got some wedges.
Alright, so don't mind, you might be hearing some fluctuations of noise like music like now. That's because people are coming in, trying to eat, drink, stuff like that, so there's a vibe nonetheless. What time is it now? It's 6:06, the event goes up until 9 o'clock. There are quite a few people out here drinking and having a good time. But anyway, let's get into the food.
Oh wait, my eyelash. Thank you. You're welcome.
Are we ready? We're not ready. What am I talking about? Yes.
Thank you.
That's it.
Yo, guys, you see this rib? Look at this rib. Yo.
So what we're gonna show? What are these pieces? I got you all.
Okay.
Gave a disclaimer. So, sir, we're not seriously. We're not investing. What are you doing the most over here?
Oh my God.
So what would you know about the door?
So good.
Must be the most.
Judah. Hi.
Huh?
I hear a time with the spotlight.
Alright. It's that good.
Introduce yourself.
Oh, I'm Ibby from Soai Vlogs.
Hi guys, I'm special fried rice or money flowers, and I'm a nobody. I'm just here for the food.
So Judah, what do you do for a living?
I currently attend the University of Technology where I'm studying media and communication.
Amen. And Stephen, what do you do?
YouTube, and I'm a teacher.
Okay.
Love to see it. Love to see it.
Period.
I don't know. Back.
Man have to take care of me.
Me?
How's your
God.
And when you look good for your
Amen.
Yeah, girl.
Yo, they're a trip. As you guys can see here, the Jack Daniels, the number 7, and we have some orange juice too.
Not the Jack Daniels.
The Jack Daniels.
Mewa. A bartender? Oh. Okay. Don't tip him ice.
But even you want to hold there.
Stay there.
You know, so them set me up. Them set me up. They just try to single me out. That's why I'm flinging over here. So. But it's okay. I'm special. I'm unique. That's why I'm the only one with you. And let me tell you about this week, okay? So, as I said, it's fire ribs. It's not spicy at first, but then after a while you get that little kick from it, which I like. But actually, I think I would have preferred if it was much spicier because I just like spicy food, but I realized
Oh yeah, I'm at my last bite.
I'm in the middle of filming. So when I finish, I call it back.
Oh.
Good God, but look at the tunes. Love. I stand her. Please be.
You know what I want.
Let me hear you say. Let me hear you say.
In some J's. In some J's. In some J's.
Yes. I want to wear this, to be honest. Oh my God.
God no.
It's enough. It's enough.
Facial expression.
They can't so strong. When you put me just put in, stop it, shall be.
Alright, so I can't quite tell you guys that I'm like a big whiskey fan or anything like this, but this is actually good. I'm not even trying to BS you at all. Like, it's really good. Yeah, it actually, it works with the orange juice. It really does. And then with the straw, that is the really cute straw that have the Jack Daniels thing on it. Yo, it's really cool. It's a bamboo straw, so you don't know, say, oh, eco. All the way.
CPJ is going green or has gone green. Woo. And they're stepping it
Good.
up.
Does this take how much?
2,000 like
Enough. Say enough.
Yeah, because she has the mukbang thing set up over there and people keep walking in front of the
I'm
camera.
tired. I'm tired. Somebody else is going to
no, we really need a rum for this.
Drink up that Jack Daniels, babe.
You know, say, I'm just open the door to come walk back and get.
Want it easy, want it badly, but I can get what I want. Too much pressure, too much pleasure, but not much to rely on. Your love ain't free, it's killing me. I want it to end all.
Alright guys, so I'm trying to head back into the event. If you guys can see, the event was pretty good. So far a lot of persons are coming in, so if you want to get a really good vibe, definitely come like around 7 p.m. should be a good time to find a lot of people here. But you might find that some of the stuff that you want to try and eat will be done because persons are buying up the things. I'm telling you, it's really good. The highlight was definitely the ribs with the Jack Daniel's sauce on it. It was really good. Everything else with it was just, yeah, what you expect it to be. Nothing really special for me personally, but the ribs was very good. So if you want to come here and have like a good vibe with, I find it to be more like a kind of like an uptown crowd type of thing. Definitely check it out. It's by, I'll pop all the information in the description box so you guys can find it. But anyway, I'm gonna end this video here. Remember 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.